My name is Mathew Kerbis. I'm the subscription attorney, and this is
The Love for Kids podcast.
Today's question is,
Damages.
damages are what somebody gets from somebody else to put them in the same situation they would have been in had some bad thing not happened. You damage someone else's car. Their car gets repaired. The money it costs to get that car repaired are damages. If somebody gets hurt and they have to go to the doctor, money paid to the doctor are damages too. It could be damages to a person, it could be damages to property, and it could also be damages if there was a breach of contract. If somebody promised to do something, the other person owed them money. And if that money's not paid, that's monetary damages. Sometimes the damages are so low that it doesn't make sense to file a lawsuit. You also have to be able to prove damages. Just because you have damages, if you can't prove it, then you won't be able to win a lawsuit.
The Love for Kids podcast.